how's it going? We're back with another take and make kit this week. The weather has been beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and that means we need to take advantage of it and we need to get our booties outside. Get outside, get playing, do something fun, something creative. So this week's take and make is stained glass sidewalk chalk decorating. So you would have popped by the library and you would have picked up your kit, and the kit's super simple. You get a bag of sidewalk chalk in a few colors and a bag of painter's tape, and we're gonna go outside and we're gonna make something cool. Makes your yard look beautiful, fun, enjoy the nice weather. So let's head outside. Okay, so I just said it's beautiful out, and now we're getting hit by like passing a little stormy here, so of course that's how it goes. But anyways, we can still do this. So I've taken a broom and I've swept off my area. So now the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna take our tape and we're gonna lay out some lines. So I'm gonna go ahead, lay out all the lines, and then after that, I will show you what it looks like, okay?
Alright, so as you can see, I've taken my tape and I've made a bunch of lines. So you can make them as big as you want. You can make as many spaces as you like. You can make as few spaces as you like. And then what's the next step? We are going to jump in with our chalk and we are going to color it all. So I'm going to color mine up and then I'll show you how it looks.
Okay guys, so you can see I've got my whole grid done. I've got it all colored in. So then I like to take a piece of paper towel and I like to just gently rub the chalk because then it kind of blends in and fills in all of the spots. The chalk didn't quite reach. It gives you a better color blend. Okay, so once we've got it all kind of blended in nicely, just about done one more square, then we pull up our tape to see what we are left with. Buff yourself a corner, and now we peel for the big reveal. Decorate garden stones, you can decorate your driveway, your sidewalks. If you have any bricks, you can decorate them as well. So hopefully you like this activity. I hope you have fun, and I hope to see a whole bunch of really cute, colorful driveways and sidewalks around town. All right, we'll see you soon, guys. Bye.